Hey, if you want to protect your battery on the CMF Phone 1, it's actually recommended to enable one feature in the battery settings. So go into the settings and move into the battery, which is available right here. Then go into the battery health, and it's recommended to turn on the custom charging mode if you actually charge your phone daily. So it's recommended to set the maximum charging limit to 70% and 90%. And you don't actually, it's not recommended to charge your battery to 100% every time, every day. Sometimes when you are going outside, for sure, it's actually recommended to get longer battery life. But if you spend most of your time at the home or just going outside just for a few moments, it's recommended to stay with 70 or 80%, just to simply extend battery lifespan. If you don't know what it does, basically how it works, you will have to actually read some information about the battery technology, and now you'll actually know what is going on. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.